Hey guys, Britton here with Hog Rover.
Hey, and this is John. This is my 2008 Land Rover LR3. So today we're going to try to install our Midland MXT115 radio. So communication is huge on the trail. You got to be able to talk to your buddies, let them know where you're going, let them know obstacles ahead. So stay tuned while we take this apart and try to make it work.
So as John attempts to not break shit, I'm going to sit back and watch because it's not my truck. John's already breaking shit. So the plan is to put it in this upper compartment here. CDs are no more, so seems like a good spot to hide it, but we'll see.
All right, so partway through disassembly, have the radio, the AC controller out. Now it looks like there's a couple more bolts to try to get out to get this top glove box section disassembled. It's going relatively easy, so fingers crossed that I don't break anything on the way out. All right, so it's out. So now we're gonna cut some holes up in the back. I think we actually might be able to get away with one hole for the antenna and for the power cord. So we're gonna go do that now.